If you've ever accidentally completed a task in Todoist, don't worry, there's a super quick way to undo it before it disappears. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo a completed task in Todoist, and I'll keep it simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Todoist tips and productivity tutorials. Now let's jump right in. The moment you click the circle checkbox to complete a task in Todoist, watch the bottom left corner of your screen closely. A small pop-up Toast notification will appear right there, and this is your chance to bring the task back instantly. Inside that pop-up, you'll see an undo button. The important part is to click undo immediately. You only have about 5 to 7 seconds before that banner fades away, so don't wait too long. As soon as you realize you completed the wrong task, go straight to that notification and click undo. Todoist will reverse the action and the task will return to your active list. This is the fastest way to recover a completed task without digging through menus or searching around. It's especially useful if you're moving quickly through your task list and accidentally check something off by mistake. So remember the rule, complete the task, look for the Toast notification in the bottom left corner and click undo right away before it disappears. If you missed that window, you may need to use other recovery methods, but for most accidental clicks. This quick undo option is all you need. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe for more Todoist tutorials, and share this with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.